What's the meaning of big ticket? Big ticket. Big ticket.
Big ticket. Big ticket. The term big ticket refers to an item or service that is of significant financial value. Typically, big ticket items are expensive and require a considerable investment of money to acquire or use. These may include things like luxury cars, high-end electronics, designer clothing, and upscale travel accommodations. Big-ticket purchases are often considered investments, as they can provide long-term benefits or value for the buyer. However, because of their high cost, big-ticket items are often out of reach for many people and are seen as luxury or status symbols. Marketers often target affluent consumers with big-ticket products and services to drive sales and increase profits.